Apple Photos app has got a lot of love in iOS 18, and one of the most notable yet slightly hidden features that the stock Photos app has received is the ability to temporarily hide all screenshots from the photo library. Times when you want to view your photo library by keeping the random screenshots at a fair distance, this neat feature will come into play. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, you have to open the Photos app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now you have to slightly swipe up to bring up the toolbar. Then you have to tap on the upward, downward arrow to access the hidden menu. After that, you have to choose the view options in the menu. And finally, you have to deselect the show screenshots option in the menu and you are all set. It will instantly hide all the screenshots from the photo library so that you can view your memories with complete peace of mind. Know that when you relaunch the Photos app on your iPhone, all of your screenshots will come back as usual, so you don't have to worry about losing them. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can instantly hide all screenshots from your photo library on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.